Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 Ethernet keeps disconnecting problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network and Internet. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Reset now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.